Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for the past couple of months since I've gotten my wig, I've been dying to dye it. So today I'm just gonna do the quickest little highlight tutorial. I just want to show you guys. I wanted to get two different tones, a little bit lighter, a little bit on the darker side, just throughout the whole entire wig. So just keep on watching. So this is what she looks like without any dye. She's still virgin. Curls are still there, but she has no product in her hair. I just went and washed it and conditioned it. So I just wanted to give her some life, you know, something, get her going. So I'm gonna be using this box color by Dark and Lovely. It's a honey blonde, and on this side, her hair is the darkest one. This is what it says it's gonna come to. So really what I'm trying to do is have some of the highlights look like this, and then some of them look like this. So I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna do that. But yep, this is what I'm using. So remember, it's very important to read the instructions. Always read instructions. Oh my god, I just ripped it. So, it says put on the gloves, then take the developer, pour the permanent color into it, and then you shake it up, and then you just go ahead and do as you wish. And then it says timing, it's processed after 20 minutes or 30 minutes on natural hair. And then you just rinse out, condition. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off, I'm just gonna do the whole head. I'm gonna do it all one time, and then I'm gonna go back in and do other highlights, so that the stuff that was already on there at first, that'll be the lighter highlights, and then the ones that I go back in and do, those will be the darker ones because they've processed shorter. You see? Okay, these gloves. One size fits all. So here's the developer. I'm gonna take off the cap thing and unscrew it. I'm gonna take the actual hair color and just pour it on in. Take the cap, screw it back on. Then you just take your finger off top of it and just go back and forth, shake it up. Voila! Alright, we're getting started in the video. If you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that would just be really, really great. And I hope you're having a good day as well. I hope it's a really good day for you. I hope the rest of the week is really good too. So right now I'm just going to section off the hair. I'm going to do 3 big kind of chunks going horizontally. And all I'm going to do is start from the roots and just weasel my way on down to the ends. Now this stuff was really messy. It was actually more slippery and watery than I thought it would be. A different consistency than I'm used to. I've only used box dye once, but I didn't realize it was so runny. So I did get it on some other straggly pieces. But the good thing about this is that it's not bleached. So even those little dots and specks you see on those pieces that I didn't really want to get dyed, that's not really going to show up too much in the end result, as you will see later on. So I just finished it all around. I put 2 face framing ones there too. But I'm just gonna let this sit and process for about 10 minutes, and then I'll come back and add the rest. So this is what it's been looking like after 10 minutes. So this one right here is the brown. So you can kind of see it already coming through compared to how the rest is. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I put in all of the highlights. Real quick, here's what it looks like after 20 minutes. And as you can see, it's looking more brown than blonde yet. So I'm actually gonna let it sit for another 20 minutes. I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. But right now it's just in a brown kind of stage. So I'm just gonna let it lift a little more. So what I'm doing here, I'm just going to make sure I wash it out really good. I'm going to go ahead and shampoo with my Coconut Curls shampoo from Organics. And I'm going to do a conditioner from the one that came from the box. It's going to help the color stay in. So they say, but you know, we'll see how it goes. You know, I take a lot of conditioner. That's pretty much how much I use for my head. Can't go wrong. So this is what the back looks like. So you can see it kind of has some brown, but obviously it didn't lift a lot, which I figured it probably wouldn't, but you can actually see them. They look really natural. It honestly just looks like, you know, dark hair with some natural looking brown highlights. Now the sun's really coming out. And you can really see the brown. And the front looks really nice. I was struggling with the baby hair, so excuse that. But yeah, it looks really, really natural. I really like the results. It's not what I was looking for, but what I got is not too bad either.